Hello prospective students, my name is Ben, I'm in the Phipps lab and welcome to the virtual tour of 122. So here in the Phipps lab we like to use non-covalent interactions, so things like hydrogen bonding and ion pairing, to try and address selectivity challenges when functionalizing molecules. Now these types of functionalizations we like to work on typically involve CH bonds, and with lots of them in a molecule we try and use ways to select one over another. So now I'm going to take you to the first part of the lab I'm going to show you, which is the wet lab. Okay, so this is the wet lab. So this is where you spend most of your time during your PhD here. So you can see pretty typical wet lab setup. At the moment everyone has their own fume hoods to keep space between us. And typical glassware, probably similar to what you've seen in other labs. This one's a bit more rough and ready, I'd say, than some of the nice ones you've seen. But don't be fooled, the chemistry's just as good in here, I can assure you. Behind us we have an office which is fairly limited at the moment, just due to COVID again. But typically this is where you do writing up of experiments and things like that. In here we have two machines that Robert's kindly bought for us. One is an LCMS, which is very useful for analysing crude reaction materials. And the other one is an SFC, so supercritical fluid chromatography, which can separate enantiomers, which is very useful for determining enantioselectivity in many of the chiral projects that we're working on. Thanks very much for joining me on the tour of Lab 122. If you want to find out any more information about the work that our lab does, please visit us on the chemistry website or on our own website, which hopefully should be posted on the video. Thanks very much again, and hopefully see some of you soon.